Good day. So I'm going to replace the air filter on my 1998 Honda VTR1000, and I referred to the service manual. It said to remove the tank, but I didn't do that. I just propped it up like that. Made sure when I did that there's nothing being stressed in there. Like, don't pull off any tubes. That'd be a nightmare. Get it back together, you can't run. But so I'm careful not to stress anything doing this. So I just propped it like this. This is the prop off my my Gen 1 Busa, and that's how it's done on that bike. So I just jimmy rigged a way to do it with the rag here, and with the prop through this whole stable. Really didn't want to take the tank off. I don't have to. There's a number of lines that take the fuel line off, a couple other breather lines, whatever. And I wasn't sure if that valve has to be turned off before I take those lines off, if the tank will start to drain. But I drained the tank down to just about empty by riding it, and I was able to get the air cleaner housing cover off without taking the tank off. That's a major success. And you just take this off here like this. Here. Okay, comes off like that. Pay attention. Pay attention to things. Don't drop anything in there. It looks pretty bad, but I'm assuming the K&N filter is doing its thing. There's a couple of caps they give you. You've got to plug off a couple of it's like breeders of some kind. I'm not sure. I don't know why that was missing. Oh, here. That's why. There's the foam thing on that one. So yeah, it's like that. There's the cover. There are eight screws to take off. These front ones need a long handle screwdriver, and I used a mechanics magnet to remove the screw once it was loose. Don't drop it down there. That's a bad thing. That'll fuck you up. It'll make the job a lot more difficult and longer. Don't drop the screws down there. Okay, so let's pay attention. It's like that. Top side, bottom side has those plugs. Be sure to put them back in with the foam inserts. And here's the one that I just finished recharging. Looks like that. This is the outer side. Here's the inner side, and looks like the K&N oil has soaked through. I don't see any light spots. It's been soaking for half an hour or so. So just just drop it in, button it back up. So yeah, there you have it. A lot simpler without having to take the tank off. That's a pain in the ass. Yeah, so Honda, get it back together, button it up, and take it for a rip. It's a beautiful day. Thanks for watching.